Hello students, let us see here. Now we are going to learn about subset and superset. Subset and superset. What is subset? What is superset? Now let me explain you. Okay. Suppose I have already informed you what is subset and superset. Suppose Maharashtra is there, or Telangana is there, or any state. See, it is a suppose India is a part of world. I can say that India is subset to the world. Okay, and suppose you have you can take Maharashtra. Maharashtra is subset to India because Maharashtra is a part of India. So I can say Maharashtra state is a subset of India. Suppose Mumbai you are taking. Mumbai is subset of what? Maharashtra. So like that, likewise, same we can understand the concept in sets also. What is the here? Let A and B two sets. Let A and B two sets. If every element of A is an element of B, if every element of A is an element of B, then A is called a subset of B and B is called a superset of A. Suppose we are taking a set like this. A is equal to you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So every element of A, 1, here is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Every element of A is contained in B. Every element of A is contained in B. So I can say that A is subset to B. We say that A is subset to B. This is a symbolical form. A is subset to B and B is superset of A. B is superset of A because B is more. Suppose India is superset of Maharashtra and Maharashtra is subset of India. So every element of A is there in B. I can say is A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Hope you understand what I am saying. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. If I am taking A is equal to, suppose if I am taking A is equal to 4, 7, 8 and B is equal to, if I have 7, 8, 9, 10. See that every element of A, 7, 8 is there but 4 is not there in this. 4 is not a part of this. Then I can say A is not a subset of B. It is not subset. It does not subset to B. A does not subset to B. A does not subset to B. A is not a subset of B. So subset means what? If you have here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then whatever. If I take here 5, 6, 7 and B is equal to you have 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Let's see here. Every element of A is in B. Then I can say A is subset to B and B is superset to A. This is a symbolical form. See here, I wrote here. We wrote it has A subset to B, B superset to A. So we can write as B is superset of A is subset to B. So A is subset to B meaning is what? Every element of A is in B, that we can say that is a subset. Okay, then after it is proper subset. It comes to next is proper subset. What is proper subset? Proper subset meaning is, suppose every A is subset to B, A is subset to B, but A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. A is subset to B, but A is not equal to B. We can say it is a proper subset. We can say it is a proper subset. A is not equal to B. A is subset to B, but A is not equal to B. It is called proper subset. It means what I want to say is A is equal to you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, and B is equal to you have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll tell you one A is subset to B, but A is not equal to B. Suppose you have like this. Suppose you have both. Now see here. In this case, what? A, B. Every element of A is in B, right? So I can say A is subset to B, correct? And A is also equal to B. Okay. So A is equal to B here. So this is not a proper subset to B, but A is equal to B here. In this case, A is subset to B, but A is not A is subset to B, but A is not equal to B. So whenever you take proper subset means number of proper subset means A should not be equal to B. A is subset to B, but A is not equal to B. That is called as proper subset. Means itself it is not a subset. That is called proper subset. Okay, that's it. What do you want to say is this one. Next here, power set. Let us go for the next thing is power set. Power set. Power set. What is power set? The power set meaning is, suppose a set is A is equal to 1, 2. Okay, you have a set is A is equal to 1, 2. And B is a set, you have X, Y, Z. You have like this. What is meaning of power set? Power set meaning is all the subsets for a set is called power set. Power set is nothing but all the subsets for a set. The set which is containing all subsets, that is called as power set. A set which containing all the subsets is called as power set. Means if you have power set of A, this is A is equal to 1, 2 is a set. A is 1, 2 is a set. Then power set of A will be, what is the power set of A? Suppose if I write set 1, is this set 1 is subset to A? Correct. A is a 1 is the element is subset. This set 1 is subset to this. If I write set 2, is this set 2 is subset to this? Yes. Set 2 also subset to this. And if I write 1 comma 2, is this 1 comma 2 is subset to this? Yes. This is also because every element of there is there in this, so it is a subset. 1 is subset to this, 2 is subset to this, 1 comma 2 also subset to this, and one more thing, null set. Null set is the empty set is subset to every set. One thing you just remember that null set is subset to every set. Null set is subset to all the sets. Subset to all sets. Every set. Any set you take for all the sets, null set is a subset. So how many subsets I got for this set? I got set 1, set 2, set 1, 2 and set. So whenever you are writing subsets for a set, that is called as power set. This is represented as a power set. Let us go for this one. B is equal to you have X comma Y comma Z. Now I want to write subsets. So what is the subsets for this? That is called power set. Power set is subsets to the given sets. So power set will be what here? I can write X is a set, is a subset to this. And I can write Y is a set which is subset to this. I can write Z is a set which is subset to this. I can write as X comma Y is subset to this. I can write Y comma Z. See that small z, this is okay. You just think this is a small z. We are doing it is a small z. Okay, small z being present. So here, what here? X is a subset to this, Y is a subset to this, Z is a subset to this, X comma Y subset to this, Y comma Z is subset to this, and X comma Z also subset to this. X comma Z is a subset to this, and X comma Y comma Z. This is also subset to this. And another thing I told you, null set, that is null set is subset to every set. Can you write more sets which are subset to this? I wrote X, Y, Z individually subset to this. X comma Y, Y comma Z, X comma Z or Z comma X, both meaning is same. X, Y, Z and pi. These are the subsets for this set. For this set, these all are subset to the sets. So all the subsets for a given set is called power set. Power set is nothing but subsets of all subsets of a given set. Okay, that is called as power set. So power set is here. Now here this is the power set. Now the number of elements in the power set, we represent a formula. That is a formula I will give you. Number of power sets of a set is, the formula is 2 raised to the power of n. What I want to say is, if you have a set A and which elements are n, then the number of power sets raised to power n. Let us see this one. Now you have this set. This set is have how many elements it containing? 1, 2. 2 elements are containing. The number of power set means counting 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the number of power sets. So the number of power set formula is 2 power n. If it is 2 elements, I can write as 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is how much? 4. See here, I got 4 or not? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of power sets for a set is the formula is 2 raised to power n. If I have 2 elements, I got 2 square, that is 4. If I have 3 elements, what about that? Means number of elements in B is 3, and the number of power sets will be 2 power n. You have 3 here, 2 cube. 2 cube is how much? 8. Let us count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the thing. So the number of power sets always represented by 2 power n formula. Now see here, A is equal to 1, 2. You got how many subsets? 4 subsets. That is called number of power sets. For the set B, how many elements are there? 3 elements. For that, how many subsets you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is called power set. Power set means the subsets for a given set is called power sets. All subsets for a given set. All subsets for a given set. All subsets for a given set. For a given set is called power set. That is called power set. I will send the definition in the group, don't worry. Power set means try to understand what is power set. Power set is nothing but all the subsets. Remember one thing, every set itself it is a subset and null set is subset to every set. Remember this thing, note down. The thing is you observe here, 1, 2 is here, 1, 2 is here. Every set is a subset to itself. Every set is a subset to itself. So every set, subset to itself. Subset to itself. Itself it is subset. Okay, itself it is subset. Itself it is subset. Every set is itself is subset. And null set is subset to every set. Pi is subset to all the sets. I wrote already, I hope here I will somewhere I wrote. Null set is subset to all the sets. So what you have understood here, every set is subset to itself, null set is subset to every set. You have to take this definition. By default, by the definition, you know that India is subset to India because every part of India is containing India. So India is subset of India. Maharashtra is subset to Maharashtra. Hyderabad is subset to itself. Every set itself it is a subset. And null set is a subset of every set. Because null set we consider, suppose I am taking any collection. In that collection, why we take null set is subset? If I speak about some collection, in that collection may have the result, may not be have the result. Means what I want to say, if I am taking any collection, in that collection I will get some output, like some elements I will get. Sometimes I won't get elements. If I am not getting elements, if I am getting elements, it is a set. So what I want to say is, for every set, that null set is a collection of something. Null set is also collection. So collection is nothing but a null set. So that set is always subset to all the sets. Remember that null set is subset for all the sets. And every set is subset to itself. Okay, thank you, understand?